Hey everyone, that's Nice Guy here. Today, have my hands on a 16-inch M1 Max MacBook Pro with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD. So instead of doing all the intro stuff that everyone usually does, I'm just gonna get right into it. And there it is. There she is, 16-inch. Let's open the seal. Wow, thanks. Anyway, let's get started. And there it is. 16-inch MacBook Pro. This thing feels great. A little heavy, but real power. Additionally, in the box, we have the MagSafe to USB-C cable, 2 meters. Documentation, Apple stickers, legal. And here, oh, it's not coming out. We have the chunky 140 watt power brick. Apple says this is gallium nitride, and I kind of believe them. 140 watts is quite a bit of power, and this isn't that big. So let's get started with the Mac. So before anything else, I do have some screen protectors because these reflective screens with the anti-reflective coatings, they're so hard to clean. But the peel, you guys want to hear the peel. So let's do it. And there it is. Open it up. There we go. 16-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 Max. I'll take off this, but I need to put these screen protectors on it because these reflective screens. But there it is, guys. There's the keyboard, trackpad. This is a huge trackpad. Look at the size of my hand compared to it. Or alternatively, here's a Raspberry Pi 3 compared to it. Absolutely ginormous. And on the left, MagSafe, 2 USB-C ports, 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the right, HDMI 2.0, USB-C, and an SD card reader. So anyways, that's all guys, and I'll see you in the next video.